Hola, buenos dias. It's our day 2 today, and we are here outside our apartment, waiting for our Uber car.
Nag-book na?
Wala pa. So, this time, saan eh? Medyo ano pa, tahimik pa ang kapaligiran. It's 7 p.m. in the morning. So, medyo tahimik pa nga. Wala pang mga masyadong naglalakad na mga locals. At kami pa lang ang nakatambay dito sa buwan. So, okay. We're going to Fidavsi facility. Alright. Our Uber.
Bye-bye. Ito namin sa facility. Bye-bye. Tawag lang ko. Sunod ha. Bye-bye.
Buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días. Hola.
Hola.
Joshua, ¿no?
Joshua. It's a nice car.
Bye-bye, Che.
El pago es en efectivo, ¿no?
You speak English?
Balon.
Paying cash, ¿no?
Cash.
Seatbelt. Isa sinturon. Kaya baka man turon. Wake up bro. Wake
Wake up ba kay nanay ano?
Tinitik sa
Data?
mga bisdak. Di Cebu to do. El 3 de Manila, 3 de Cebu.
Nag-text ako sa inyo, wala pa.
Pagayo, lagi ulit. Pagayo, lagi ulit.
Are we your first passenger?
Poco.
Poco. What time you start driving?
Okay.
What time? ¿Cuánto hora you start driving Uber?
Alrededor 1 year.
Ay, okay. Medyo hindi niya naintindihan na. Is that a military base?
Militar.
Military base. Air Force?
Sí, fly.
Air Force. We Air Force in Pilipinas.
En Filipinas.
Air Force. We are training at Airbus facility.
In
Airbus.
Day 2.
Are you a fan of football?
Okay.
Football. You play or you watch?
Watch.
Watch. Madrid or Barcelona?
Real Madrid.
Madrid.
Iba.
Los Blancos. Madridista. Madridista.
Same team.
Bellingham. Vinicius.
Mbappé.
Mbappe. He won the Pichichi Award. The most goals. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dapat maka-plan ka pa rin natin. Plan sa ina ng Mbappe din rin. Hindi, ito rin ang Euro League.
¿Cuánto
Euro.
anong ticket mo ko? How much we watch football match? How much? ¿Cuánto? If you watch Madrid match.
Madrid, 75 euros.
Whoa! No.
Expensive.
So expensive.
75.
Sí, 75 euros. Eso es un partido malo.
Oh.
Un partido contra Barcelona. Champions, vale 200.
200, no, it's more expensive if Barcelona and Real Madrid. And that's the cheapest ticket. That's the cheapest. Pinakamura na yon.
175. Huwag na. TV na lang ako, TV.
Better watch on TV, television,
Yes.
and just drink cerveza.
Yeah.
Cerveza with ice.
Cerveza and pizza and that's it.
Saka, one goal, one shout.
They have a lot of additional players like Alexander Arnold.
Yes.
Yeah, Alexander Arnold. And
Vale.
and also the center back of Spain, Den Hodgin, is a center back. At least Migo, di na ito makakuan karon. Di na kita silent mode ba?
Magawas ng laway.
Gawas. Di na ito mahal baba.
Di pa na sa muna. Walong story yun.
So going to Cordoba.
Madrid.
Sí, es grande. Mucho tráfico.
Traffic.
May action ba? Picture-picture ka.
Isa kolehiyo.
Ako galing so na siya. Mura mo nagpasay lang dito. Hindi nga dito ba?
Kolehiyo Los Angeles.
Siya rin kung pula na niya. 91 pa lang sa 128. Nag-delete ka na to. Nag-delete ka. Kaya bago ko nilagang pa kayo. Kaya nagagawin video, photos.
In Filipina, the owner of this car is rich people. Only rich people. But here, this car. But here,
Expensive there.
is Uber.
Yes.
In Filipina, only rich people drive this car. Can afford. We only tricycle.
Bike. Motorcycle and bicycle.
Yes. En Filipinas hay Uber.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, eh. Uber and Grab. Okay, yeah, just we have here tres amigo.
Tres kali.
Yeah.
Gracias. Gracias, señor. Ada hari ni kan?
Nambah tuh din.
Thank you for the ride.
Gracias.
Gracias. Very nice car.
Thank you.
Gracias, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.